little train. Happy Train had a very important job. It carried food and toys to the girls and boys who lived on the other side of the mountain.
We have a happy job to do, taking some toys and yummy food. Over the mountain, over the mountain, over the mountain, toot, toot, toot. We have apples and pears, soft teddy bears, soccer balls are ready to kick, kick. Carrots to crunch, bananas by the bunch, and books in the basket, take your pick. Oh, we have to go just 5 more miles, then we will see a lot of smiles. Over the mountain, over the mountain, over the mountain, toot, toot, toot. Happy Train trudged by farms over bridges and through beautiful meadows. It just had to climb a big, big mountain to deliver the food and toys to the children who were waiting in the village station.
Suddenly, with a jerk and a jolt, Happy Train came to a sudden stop. Something was wrong. Something was very, very wrong.
The toy clown shouted, "Oh no, our train is broken. What shall we do? We need another engine to pull us over the mountain."
Clickety-clack, there was a sound on the tracks, a sound of an engine coming.
The train watched, listened, and waited for help.
Clickety, clickety, clack, clack. Clickety, clickety, clack, clack. Clickety, clickety, clack, clack. Rumble and a rumble on the track, track.
Coming down the track was a shiny new engine, all silvery and bright.
The clown waved a red flag and engines' glistening wheels came to stop.
Why did you stop me?
Complained the shiny new engine. We need your help. We need your help. We heard a pop. Our engine went stop. Please be kind, if you don't mind, and pull us up to the mountain top.
Shiny new engine just brushed a speck of dirt off of its smoke and laughed a not so nice laugh.
I'm silver and new, I can pull you. I'm the prettiest one on the rails. My wheels are so shine, my wheels are so fine, and besides I just polish my nails. Goodbye. Happy Train was disappointed, and shiny new engine clickety-clacked away.
All the while, the children in the village station were waiting and waiting for Happy Train.
The train is very, very late. It's bringing food and toys. It's hard for us to wait. The train is very, very late. It's bringing food and toys. It's hard for us to wait.
engine.
Clickety, clickety, squeak, squeak. Clickety, clickety, squeak, squeak. Clickety, clickety, squeak, squeak. Rumble and a rumble on the track, track. Coming down the tracks was Rusty Crusty Engine. The toy clown saw that the engine looked a little broken and slow, but it was still hopeful that the engine would help.
The clown waved the red flag and Rusty Crusty engine creaked to a stop. Problem? The Rusty Crusty engine quickly asked,
Why are you asking me to stop? We need your help. We need your help. We heard a pop. Our engine went stop. Please be kind, if you don't mind, and pull us up to the mountain top.
Rusty Crusty engine could not help it, just moaned and groaned, sniveled and snorted.
I'm broken and rusty, my smokestack is rusty. I'm losing and rumble in pain. My wheels cannot beat, I don't have much steam, and can't pull or push anymore. Goodbye. Slowly the engine cracked and squeaked away, and it sneezed a big dusty achoo-choo! Achoo-choo! All the while, the children in the village station were waiting and waiting for Happy Train. The train is very, very late. It's bringing food and toys. It's hard for us to wait. The train is very, very late. It's bringing food and toys. It's hard for us to wait.
Oh dear, sighed everyone on a happy train. Again they watched, listened, and waited for help.
After a while, they heard a big loud noise on the track. Coming towards them was a powerful fighting engine. Clickety, clickety, boom, boom. Clickety, clickety, boom, boom. Clickety, clickety, boom, boom. Rumble and a rumble on the track, track.
This strong train would surely be able to take them over the mountain. The hopeful toy clown waved the red flag. They imported engine hissed and stopped.
Why did you ask me to stop?
Still.
We need your help. We need your help. We heard a pop. Our engine went stop. Please be kind, if you don't mind, and pull us up to the mountain top.
Big important engine huffed and puffed out gritting clouds of gray smoke.
Much too much busy to pull us and Lizzie. Rumble and pigeons and clowns. Our name is the best in the east and the west. Our mountains with thousands of pounds.
disappointing. The toys and the clown were very worried that no engine would help pull them over the mountain. They knew that all the boys and girls on the other side of the mountain were waiting for them.
All the while, the children in the village station were waiting and waiting for Happy Train. The train is very, very late. It's bringing food and toys. It's hard for us to wait. The train is very, very late. It's bringing food and toys. It's hard for us to wait. Then in the distance, there was a new sound on the track, a very small and cheerful sound. Clickety, clickety, ding, ding. Clickety, clickety, ding, ding. Clickety, clickety, ding, ding. Rumble and a rumble on the track, track.
Down the track came Little Engine. That engine is way too small to pull us over the mountain, said the clown. He didn't even wave the red flag for the engine to stop, but the little engine stopped anyway.
Is something wrong? Asked Little Engine. Our engine is broken, said the clown. We're hoping that a big engine will come and pull us over the mountains.
I am not big, said the little engine, but I will try to pull you sometimes when I need a lot of time. I sing a special song to make me strong. It goes like this.
I think I can. I think I can. I'll try, 'cause I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I'll try, 'cause I think I can.
We don't think you can do it, said everyone on the train, but you can try.
Little Engine slowly connected with Happy Train. It pulled and pulled and pulled. Slowly, as they moved up the mountain, Little Engine said,
I need more power. Please, everybody sing. I think I can. I think I can. I'll try, 'cause I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I'll try, 'cause I think I can. Up the little mountain engine pulled Happy Train up to the very top and down the mountain easily jumped.
There were the children waiting for them in the village station. Everyone shouted, hooray, hooray, for the brave little engine that could sing us over the mountain.